Good morning everyone, it's Lynette here. So today, I don't know if you can see it, I'll bring the camera slightly closer. I've got my Christmas jumper on. It's got little gingerbread men, sticks, Christmas trees, presents, and I've got my little gingerbread earrings in. So enough of that. So yeah, this room looks like something has exploded. There's presents everywhere. I've wrapped or posted the ones that needed to be posted. So those are gone, but I need to wrap everything else. We're not doing the kind of obviously the rounds that we would usually do on Christmas, but I will like be dropping and running. So I'll probably try and get some wrapped over the next few. Well, I'll need to, won't I? To 20th today. Can you believe it? So today at work we have a. So I've got my festive kind of t-shirt on. I did used to buy Christmas jumpers, but our office at this time of year was always roasting. So I stopped buying them and I just started buying these little t-shirts. You know, the kind of festive t-shirts. I've got another one that I'm going to pop on Christmas morning. I think that's what I'm just going to wear the whole day. And it's got little sequined robins on it. It's really cute. I love it. So anyway, let's get into the advent calendars. That's why you're here. And I'm hoping you're more organised than me. And although in the past, when the kids were wee and life was manic, sometimes I'd be wrapping their Christmas presents on Christmas Eve. Just tell me it's time to open it. So anyway, after being rudely interrupted by the Boots number 7 Beauty Advent Calendar, this is 25 days, so you will see me opening this on Christmas morning, by the way. Day number 20, and I am going to take everything out and do a roundup of what's in it in a winner. So day number 20 is here. Hope you can see that. Pop it out. Just checking, double checking. I'm itchy nose. Oh, it's a gel finish nail polish, and do you know what's really good about that colour? It's one of the colours that I can wear, and I love a gel finish, but it's one of the colours that I can actually wear to work and not worry, because if it chips, you're not really noticing it. So yeah, that is a shade that I will definitely wear lots, but I'll get away. I can wear any colour that I want. I mean, I've been known to go in with neon green nails, but when they chip, they chip. So if I'm sitting in meetings and things, I really feel like, you know, when you look down and your shoes are maybe scuffed or needing polished and your nails are chipped, I don't like feeling like that. So if that chips during the day, then you don't notice it. So that was my whole point in saying I do love a nude nail polish. So I am happy. So that's the second nail polish, but they're both really different and look fantastic. Day number 20. You're getting to see all my chin, by the way, all of my chins as I turned. Yeah, we're looking at going to the gym, but the gym over here is tiny, and you have to book a session, which is fine because my son's been going at 10:30 in the morning, which is brilliant for him. But because Steve's at work, we think it's possibly going to be a nightmare to try and get a time booked for us. You know, during the core hours and things like that, you know, he'll be wanting like 6, 7 o'clock at night. So we'll see what happens. Well, anyway, day number 20. I am trying to walk a bit more. It's a tube of some sort, and it's Mayo Clear Away, Clay Away body cleanser, a 2-in-1 wash and mask. I've never seen anything like that before. So apply this versatile wash to wet skin all over your body and thoroughly rinse off. For a more intense treatment, apply to dry skin and leave for 2 minutes before rinsing off. So I suppose you could do this. You could wet yourself under the shower and then apply this, or you could apply it while you're getting ready to go in the shower and then rinse it off. Oh, clothes. Low battery. So yeah, I'm really interested to try that. I've never seen a product like that. I'm still trying to find a product that's like the Lush body conditioner that you use in the shower that isn't the same price tag as a Lush body conditioner, because it's fine if you've got a small body, you know, it's going to last, but if you've not got a small body like me, it costs a fortune to use it. I do love body lotions, but this one you put it on in the shower and then you rinse it off, so that's why it's a body conditioner. It's really nice as well. So yeah, if anybody has any recommendations for any products that's similar to the Lush body conditioner, let me know. Otherwise I might just have to treat myself. I don't know when. If I get any Christmas money, I can treat myself, hopefully in the sale. So yeah, that's day number 20, and I'm away off to join my team meeting and charge my phone, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. Have a lovely day. Bye.